Machine learning is becoming increasingly relevant with every generation. In the next 5 years alone, the global market for machine learning is projected to be $117 billion, compared to the $8 million the market was this past year. As a result, data scientists are also on the rise. Large enterprises such as Google, Facebook, Amazon are all run through data science. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of data scientist jobs will increase by about 28% through 2026, which is roughly 11.5 million new jobs in the field.
Our market study revealed that while kids and teenagers can define robotics, many have trouble doing so when it comes to machine learning. To add to this point, many individuals have had interactions with robots, but not with the concept of machine learning itself. It then becomes an advantage to have individuals explore the basics of machine learning at a young age.
So, who will bridge the disconnect between younger generations and machine learning?
We are Automata.
Automata saw the need to allow younger generations to experience machine learning so they can better grasp the concept and possibly spark an interest in the field as the demand for data scientists continues to escalate.
Meet Harvey.
Hello, I'm Harvey.
Users will create their very own machine learning robot from the kit, having the ability not only to code Harvey to move around,
forward, left,
but also to train the robot to answer questions.
tell a joke,
I was going to donate blood until the lady got all personal and started asking, whose blood is this, and how did you get it?
do you know coding?
Yes, I know. I was created from coding.
The simplicity of Harvey piques the interest of children and also allows them to have compelling one-on-one conversations with the robot through the use of machine learning.
In the next year alone, our team predicts a steady increase in customers and a gradual decrease in variable component prices, with increased purchase power. By 2026, Automata's gross income is projected to be over $140,000. Automata is the perfect machine learning kit that exposes young children to the future of technology early on and gives them valuable hands-on experience through building their very own smart robot.
What should we do?
Learn, create, inspire. Choose Automata.